Hello guys, and let's get straight into the charts. Remember, this is just for fun, and I'm not your financial advisor. This is just an analysis of the indices. Let's start with Dow Jones. This is the daily chart, Dow Jones. And as you can see here, we may have formed a double pattern, a W pattern. Right now we are under the 50-day EMA. It's right now a resistance at around 34,600-ish levels, and we are above the 20-day EMA, 34,420-ish level. But I'm interested in this W pattern. If this is a valid W pattern, we need to break above the neckline, which is around 34,780. So we need to break above that to make it a valid W pattern. And then we can measure the target price. Let me measure the target price. Yeah. Let's see, this is the neckline here, and we are going from the top to the bottom. Let's not count the wicks, and here we go. Okay, and now I'm going to put it on the neckline so we can measure the target. Okay, now let's see. So the target is actually 35,700 if this plays out. But this if this is a W pattern, of course this is a bullish pattern. We are starting to be bullish, and if we are bullish, then all the other indices are going to be bullish. Let's look at the Sp500. This is the Sp500 on the daily chart. Here I can see another W pattern, and the measured target is, let's see, around 4,430. And actually we are above the neckline. We retested the neckline, and right now we are above the neckline. Let's see how this plays out. We may have had a bullish turnaround. For that we have a here, as you can see, we have a lower low and another low, and we have a up here a high, a lower high, and another lower high here. But right now what we need is a higher low. We may have this higher low right here, and then we need a higher high. We will see how this plays out, but this could be a bullish turnaround. Let's look at Nasdaq. Let's see if we see anything. This is the daily chart on Nasdaq. Yeah, we have a lower, here we have a lower low, here we have a lower high, so this is still very bearish. We need a, here's a low, and we need a higher low. Let's see if this plays out to be a higher low, or we fall down and continue this bearish trend. I'm interested in two more indices. Let's look at the German index, DAX, DAX, and that's the German index. Here we have a low, a lower low, another, this didn't prove to be a higher low, so let me delete it. Here's a lower low again. Here's a high, slightly lower high, and it seems to be a lower high. Right now we need a higher low in order to see it as a bullish trend again, but it's still bearish. Yeah, we may get back to the 20 day EMA and then to the 50-day EMA. We will see how this plays out. Let's look at the Japanese index, the Nikkei. This is the Japanese index daily chart, and could be a turnaround, we will see, but we have a low and we have a lower low here. So here's a high, a lower high, and it could be another lower high. Okay, if we have a turnaround, then we are going back again to the 30,000-ish levels. So that's much about the indices for today. See you next time.